Hi there, are you ready to take your creativity to the next level? Welcome to FemTech Animation Studio Academic, where we empower young minds to bring their story to life through animation. At FemTech Animation Studio Academic, we are thrilled to offer our students lifetime access to Plotagon user-friendly interface. Whether you're a beginner or an aspiring animator, Plotagon makes it incredibly easy to create animated video in no time. Plotagon intuitive design allow anyone to dive right into animation. You can create character, add dialogue, and design scene with just a few clicks. Let me show you how simple it is. First, let's create a character. Choose a variety of customizable options to give your character a unique look. Next, add dialogue and action. Simply type what you want your character to say and select the animation. Plotagon does the rest. And just like that, you have a professional looking animated scene. It's that easy. But that's not all. At FemTech Animation Studio Academic, we offer workshop, mentoring session, and collaborative projects to help you master the art of animation. You will learn from industry professionals and work alongside fellow aspiring animators. Imagine creating your own animated story, employing your creativity and sharing your work with the world. With Plotagon and FemTech, the possibilities are endless. So what are you waiting for? Join FemTech Animation Studio Academic today and unlock your lifetime access to Plotagon. Let's bring your story to life. We can't wait to see what you create. Happy animating. Thank you.